Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm super excited because I'm doing makeup for the beautiful Zayan and look at her. Her eyes, her face, everything about her is so pretty and I'm just mesmerized. The moment I saw her, I told her, you're gonna be on my YouTube channel. So yeah, we're gonna do this really nice smoky eyes for her because she has these big beautiful round eyes and I think it will really complement her. So here we go. I'm gonna first start with this color correcting primer. Just a background history. So I just met Zayan at this Levon event that I was invited to as a guest speaker, and I met her and I was just mesmerized by her eyes, by her features, and I really want to do a makeup look on her. So I'm so excited to shoot this makeup look for you guys. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this super glossy, that's another primer, but it's like a liquid highlighter primer, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and I'm gonna make sure everything, all the primer, everything is set in place. Next, I'm going to use my eyebrow spoolie and I'm just going to comb her hair. She doesn't need a lot of color in her eyebrows because it's already very thick. So I'm just going to use a darker shade from the MAC palette and I'm just going to fill out the ends just to give it a more elongated and shapely shape. Zayan, she is so pretty and I'm so happy that she's so tall because I'm tall and I'm always happy when we meet tall girls. Anyways, hashtag tall girls unite. Now I'm going to take the Resvol pen stick in the shade number 10 and I'm just going to apply it underneath her eyebrows as an eyeshadow base. And you can see this is like really pigmented, just a little goes a very long way and I absolutely love this. So if you need something like a quick fix for your makeup that you want to work as a concealer, perhaps foundation, anything as such, Resvol is it. I use my beauty blender to dab all the excess product on top of my eyelids because I want it to be very light. So I'm using the beige color from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm just using that color to set the product on top of my eyelids. After setting my eyelids, I'm going to use this really light brown shade to amplify the crease on her eyelids, and I'm going to use this maroon brown just below it just to, create a nice transition between the light brown and her eyes. Moving on, I'm just using the same maroon brown and I'm just applying it all over her eyelids. You can see I've just left a little bit space in the middle of her eyelids and I didn't after that. I covered it. Now I'm going to use the eyeshadow blending brush. I'm going to wet the brush and I'm going to use this black pigment on top of the eyelids. So Ishan just had this stupid question. He asked me, if you're gonna make the eyelids black, why not just like make it black? And why are you using all these transition colors? Well, the thing is that if you're just gonna use the black eyeshadow, it's gonna look like somebody punched your eyes. But with the transition color, it looks like this really nice smoky look. So that is why men and women, or whoever has this question, this is why we're doing this. And now moving onward, I'm adding more black pigment to the eyes. I want the eyes to look like a black hole, sucks in all the light from everywhere, and her eyes should look like super dark, pigmented, and very sexy. Moving on towards the, corners of my eyes, I'm using this super shimmery pigment just because I want to break that darkness in her eyes to just give it a more subtleness to the smoky eye, if that makes any sense at all. And you can see I applied it all over the inner corners of the eyes. I'm using the blending brush and I'm just blending it out, and I'm pretty much done with the top of my eyelids. Now I'm going to use the same pigment and I'm going to start doing it at the bottom of the eyelashes, and this was going to really intensify the look, and you can see her eyes look so sexy. And with the same shimmer, I'm just applying it at the bottom of the eyes as well. Why I'm doing this, why I'm not taking the black color all the way to the inner corner of the eyes, is just because I don't want it to be too dark but dark enough. You feel me? Alright, so now with the eyeliner pen, I'm just gonna give her a really nice, sharp, super long Arabic wings. That will really complement her eye shape as well as this look. I don't want the eyeliner to show too much, so on top of the eyeliner, I'm gonna add a little bit of more of the black shadow pigment so that eyeliner would look a little smoky. And now I'm gonna go ahead with this pink mascara from Essence. Oh my god. Alright guys, if you need to buy some budget-friendly makeup, this is it. This is the I Love Extreme Mascara from Essence, and you will not regret buying this because this is such an amazing mascara. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the fall season. Ta-da! We're done both the eyes. Alright, the eyes are done. Now what's next? Obviously, the base. I'm gonna use the Resball base in the shade 10. You can see it matches perfectly with her skin tone and gives her this golden vibe because I did apply the illuminating primer and this liquid highlighter on top. No, wait, on below. No, below the base. And with the Beauty Blender, I'm just gonna dab, 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 dab. And now with my foundation brush, I'm just going to use the same foundation from Resball, and I'm just going to apply it in areas that she needs a little TLC, which is underneath the eyes. If she has any pigmentation or scarring, I'm just going to, apply another layer. Anyways, we're almost at the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you're enjoying my commentary because, I'm really enjoying talking like this. Next time, I think I should talk to you in person rather than recording it afterwards. Now, I'm gonna make sure that your neck matches your face and your body because you don't want to look like a person with 5 different skin tones. So always, guys, when you wear your makeup, make sure your ears match, your neck matches, your body matches, and you'll be good to go. You'll be golden. Dab, 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 dab. The key to beautiful makeup is blending. And if you feel like you haven't, blended enough, you're probably right. You probably need to blend it a lot because that is the key. And I'm just using this really, really dark foundation and just giving it a nice, natural contour to her face. And then I'm going to intensify the contour, as you can see. As you can see, Zayan can't stop smiling because we were cracking jokes the whole time because you know how Ishan is crazy. And yeah, so he was not letting me do makeup properly, so we were just like fighting all the way and everybody else was laughing. And after I know where her contour is going to be, I'm going to take the blender and I'm going to start blending, and this will give the skin a really nice, natural tanned glow without looking too, cakey or overdone with the contour. Now I'm going to use this Glam Bisque palette and I'm using their powder blush, but you can see I'm using my wet blender, so this kind of acts as a cream blush. So guys, this is a pro tip. If you are running out of products and you need something, this is a quick fix. So you can see a little bit of, color back to the skin. And just a little bit of fix me up just underneath the eyes. And blend, 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 blend. Finally, at the end. So what was that saying again? Cherry on top? Mazel tov? I don't know what it is. But anyways, ending the look with the super nude-ish, pinkish lip color. Because, my rule is if you have darker eyes or super, crazy eyes, keep it really, DL on the lips. But, it's makeup is art. If you feel like you need to go all out, girl, you do you. You go all out, and we are done. And that was it, guys. Super simple, super sexy. Not over the top, like classic smoky eye with a hint of purple. As you can see, the palette that I used was from Morphe. Anyways, guys, we are done with the makeup almost. I've applied the lip color, applied the highlight, as you can see, because highlight is key, highlight is bae. And I just felt like she was creasing a little bit, so I made sure that I'm gonna set the makeup. So I just used this rice powder that I have, and it's super, super amazing. I'm just gonna leave it on for a bit, remove the excess powder, and I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just dab, 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 dab. Alright guys, so that is it, and you know what, you gotta set, so I'm just gonna make sure I set the makeup, and yep, we are done. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as me and Ishad liked making it, and thank you so much, Zayan, for gracing us with your presence on our channel. I'm super excited, can't wait to do another look on you after you're back. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button.